Welcome everybody to another set of Tekken ranked matches. We're going to continue on our journey. I made it back to Raijin off camera because I have, I don't know, because. Here we are. We're going to continue our ranked journey. Hopefully, getting closer to Kishin. If not getting to Kishin, I highly doubt we will tonight. But you know, here's hoping. Here I am, basically just looking at my punishes because I need to remember. Frame, 15 frame. I thought that would work. It would be nice if we get a ranked match. Anyway, combo showcase. As I drop the combo. There we go. Oh, well, let's see what we got here. I'll admit I am tired, but I want to be ranked. Asuka. Asuka. I gotta remember Asuka thing. Oh, promotion match Asuka. Let's see if we can correct this. Thank you, video game, for not being a counter hit, despite the fact that she was literally in armor. And that's a dead Asuka. Alright, neat. Got some good starts. Trade down 4. Counter hit. That's unfortunate. I got hit. Yep, here's the Asuka bread and butter. Yep, sweep. Heat burst, or heat smash. Bruh. That was my own fault. I pressed while standing. Let's try hop kicking. Let's try nothing. Grab. Different grab because... Bye. Hate to tell you. Frame trap. Completely understandable. Wall. She held it. She tried being fancy and holding it. Nah. Sorry, girly. My armor came out first. For second, sorry. Okarete. Goodbye. No promotion for you, I hate to tell you, I'm sorry. Starting to see a sliver of the gold ranks, but we're not even close to there yet, so we're not even gonna focus on. Aww. I wondered if I don't think it was. I'm trying to remember when I last played. Was I in the win streak bonus? This low sucks because 18 frames and -2 on hit. Better. Ultimately, this is better. Well, kind of. So 16 -3, 16 -6, unless I do the second, in which case it true combos on hit. Ultimately, this is safer because I'm stabbing you with a knife, so it's not low parryable. Larzu. 2 ranks down, so no win streak bonus potential. You know we've got at least one. I'ma just say, no dog. Okay. Lars is Larsing. That was a full combo, huh? I did not know you could convert off that hit. I'ma say no. We crumpled each other. And then he died. Because he chose to stand. Try going low. Ow, that's my face. I'm gonna say no. Sir. Man is trying to be fancy. He's trying to press buttons. Dropped. Ooh, I thought I was up in time. I was not. I thought I was gonna explode him. Well, that was a fun interaction. Parry into 1+2. That was a stupid interaction, I'll admit. But this 1+2 is blowing him up. Ooh. Okay, does he get his combo this time? He did. He died. Oh, he didn't die. No, he died. We're gonna try. Let's try a hop kick round start. Because he's been pressing buttons. So we're gonna see if ours will just be better. Sir. Understand something. Ooh, good counter hit. He likes going for that sweep. Don't know why, but he does. A little whiff punish. Gotta technically capitalize off more. Got him. Try backdashing. I'm gonna just decline. Play patient. Oh crap. Stop going in the silent entry. Stop. Stop. Listen. You gotta stop. Play more patient, homie. I beg of you. Alright. Grab. Oh. Okay, he's doing better. He's playing more patient. He's doing the thing. And there's the, Okay, so he's blowing me up with that. He's learned. He's learned to catch me with that. Doesn't mean he knows how to catch me every time. This should hit. I don't think he dies here. Alright, he's got to survive a mix. This man orbitaled me. I'm sad. I should have just pulled out the gun. My goal is to prevent you from playing the video game. This man loves sweeping the floor. This man's got a part-time job as a janitor. Okay, he knows that's launch punishable. Man, this man keeps he's sweeping. Okay, 1+2. 1+2. Alright. I'm gonna just crap. I press buttons and that. Right. What the grab was that? Huh. I'm gonna be real. He brought it back. I mean, I made a lot of stupid mistakes. Yes. That last round, I don't even know what he grabbed me with. Man, he's gonna orbital again, isn't he? Really? Alright, I need to stop. This man is sweeping the floor. He's constantly sweeping the floor. I ducked. I ducked. Right, there's no frame advantage. This low is screwing me, but there's nothing I can do about it. Bro. Why is your... Get off me. Oh, I thought I was in heat. Why did I get up 2? Explain game? Whatever. Alright. Well, we win them, we lose them. That was good. GG's. I just got cooked in the end. That was the reality. I got downloaded, I got cooked. Well, it's not so... I don't know if I got downloaded. I'm gonna be real here. I don't know if I got downloaded. It's more like... He pressed the entry buttons that worked. Let's see what we got here. Zhao Yu. Alright. Mid. Never do any highs. Ever in my life because she will dodge all of them. Keep getting Coliseum. Why is it? It's a nice outfit. Just a nice little change on Zhao Yu. Bow shoulders. Bruh. I got hit by Zhao Yu Snake Edge. I thought you would press a button. I hoped you did. That works. Thank you, video game. Got her. Got her off the floor. Alright, I'm fine with that. Let's see here. Low? Yep. Girl tried armoring immediately. Nice. Bruh. You live here. I get hurt a lot. Bro, I have to survive a mix. Also, why you run up grab? So glad I got that misinput. I'm mad at that. Bro, I'm double mad at that. Bro, I saw it coming. It's a low. No. Alright. I'm dead. Bro, I hate that low. Because, like, I see it and I'm like, react. React logic. And why did my hop kick not work? Different grab. Again. Got her. Sweep that floor. Oh, if we win this, we do get our win streak bonus because she's Fujin. Also, the name Eshu sounds familiar. I think I fought this. I wanted a low. No. This girl loves armoring. Get off me. Grab. No. I saw her immediately go low. I'm like, up. Out. No. Girl, tech it. No. You're dead. Really? Pixel? Okay. I should have went up. That would have killed her. But that's okay. Like, I've got the health. I think she tried sidestepping and died. Armor. Yep. The Xiao Yu is, very predictable. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think I can kill here, but I can do lots of damage. Goodbye. I'm just like, wake up, gun. Hey, win streak bonus. Let's go. Who knows? We might actually get the Kishin soon. I would personally love to be in Kishin. This would be amazing and glorious. And maybe if I actually have an intelligent brain, I can record me getting the Kishin. Alright, pack it up, boys. Yoshimitsu. Okay, I gotta remember two important things. One, Beyblade in the sky, as in Majin Dragonfly. I just call it that. With the 7-win streak. I'm sorry. Is it wrong of me to ask for the buff of, like, low should not be able to hit, that? Traded. I'm fine. This man's got a 7-win streak. I want this gone. Ooh. I'm gonna be honest, chat. I heard this song come on. Because I tried, mixing up my playlist a little bit for Tekken. I heard the song come on immediately. And my brain thought it was Final Fantasy XIV. I thought I was in the middle of the Alexander fight. And I'm like, no, this is not right. Also, I'm dead. By the way. I highly doubt I'm living. Like, but I legitimately heard the song and I'm like, Alexander? Hold on. Alright, well, we'll take that L. Press buttons? Well, he did. Didn't count as counter hit, though. Ooh, hop kick. Ah, he got the fun extension. Yeah, I'll challenge that. Just do it again. This man tried to flip. I'm like, no. This is a no flip zone. That's understandable. I need to stop pressing buttons. He's Majin Dragon flying. Mix up the grab. There we go. Bro, I need you to understand something. Called you're dead. Alrighty, well, we got rid of his win streak, and that makes me happy. Because part of the joys I gain out of this game is tormenting people. Makes it so funny. We'll see if he rematches, honestly. Oh, he did. Okay, all right, good. Good on him. Good on him. It's like a 7-win streak. Honestly, in theory, if well, no, it's actually not possible. This man loves his sweep. He does know, and I would... Actually, he doesn't know, because I pressed armor, and that's what got me blown up. That's the exact reason why I got hit by this combo. Bro, I did my full crouch. Anyway, he's dead. Like, he did his unblockable. I tried doing my while standing, just so that way I could interrupt it. No. What's up, grab? He's been doing that low kick a lot. Ooh. That's why he's been fishing to do this combo. Which I mean I get, but like, oh, that heals him. Vicky. That's not what I wanted you to do. Victor was like, yeah, let me get down 4. Nah, I said back, homie. I really did say back. I think no, I'm dead here. Oh, I live? Okay. Bro. I'm like, he's gonna run up push buttons, because why wouldn't he? This man's. Ah, okay. What do you got off this? Not much. This man doesn't seem to understand. Maybe stop going into the down kick and getting out of Majin. Okay. Stop being predictable. I need to do another mid. Yep. I don't know why you thought you were able to take your turn back. I'm gonna be real. Why did you think this? Let's go ahead and do this. I just want to heat. Alright. No. Don't do that. I have a move that instantly kills you at this elf. Like, listen, man, you don't want to challenge. That's a fast pass to the grave. Alright, well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Hopefully next time we can make it to Kishin. Catch you later. Peace.